it actually does is, well, I'll just show you. Gear winds its way over to a contact point. So right over there, it's gonna touch, and that's what tells the motor to stop. So it's basically a ground stopping it, and then it goes the other way, and so then this side will then, when it goes up, go and touch where you have it set up for your up connection, which is that one. So I've reset them, and now it's working compared to looking like it was gonna break. I've never heard of that before. I've never heard of that wire actually breaking in half, just rubbing enough. But I mean, yeah, it can happen. All from a stupid wire.